Hi, another quick video on the Fenella head pieces. Just want to show you this. Yeah, show you this? Yeah, you can see that there. So basically that's the hair added in, and I was talking about how smoothly it should just go in. So basically it should just go in like that, you know, just tilt the head slightly and up. Now I've stroked this away inside here to make sure that happens, and I did that before I fitted the headpiece. So how I fitted the headpiece, you just hold the model upside down like that, insert and trap it, and then just move it in and out. Obviously they aren't bent around at that stage, it's flat, and you just move it in and out to where you're happy with it, so it fits the head and you're happy with the whole thing. When you've done that, turn it upside down and run a little bit of super glue along the top fringe, not the bottom. Just run it along there, that point there. Just run it along there, and that will hold it in place without sticking the head in. Yeah. So when you're happy with the position, just have a look at it. Oh, I'm happy with this position. Just run a drop of glue along that seam, blow it into the piece, and it will hold that nicely in place for you. Then you can move the head in and out as you please. Boom. So make sure the head is fitting right before you fit the fringe piece, and and then you end up with, you can trim that like a, you know, as you would, and have it arranged the way you would like it to be. Then at that stage you can prime and paint it. So yeah, I would bend it into place before you prime and paint. So just then prime it, and you can airbrush or gently acrylic your friend here, let it dry. Then when you've finished the head and it slides in nicely like that without damaging the paintwork on the head, you can move it around as you please. So that's when I would use Magic Sculpt. When I'm totally happy, put a bit of Magic Sculpt or some sort of glue on the top and slide her in and position her, boom, and she'll be perfect. So yeah, I thought I'd better add that bit in. So just go in with the head, and it should just pop in like that. So there's a little boom, boom. Yeah, yeah, that's how I'd do it. I mean, it's up to yourself whether you fit the head to the body, because even fitted to the body, it should fit in exactly the same way. Boom. Yeah, so you can have it fitted to the body, boom. So I would leave that to kind of the last bit. Make sure you're happy with that and spend a bit of time on that, and then as long as you've checked for fit, you should have zero issues with getting her in, and she'll be perfect. So thanks very much, and hope that was helpful. Again, email me. I'll always answer emails, and if the worst comes to the worst, I'll give you a mobile phone number on the email, and you can ring me and we can talk. So yeah, so don't ever just sort of get frustrated. Just any questions, ask me. But I thought that was necessary. Yes, I have, these will oxidize eventually, so that means if you've missed a bit, or the auburn glints or whatever, it'll oxidize down, but they are meant to be painted. I want to make that clear. You put on your primer and then paint it whatever color you like, and you know, but like I say, kind of lightly, because otherwise you'll lose that lovely wispy fringe effect. So yeah, anyway, that's just a quick video for that, because it's an unusual thing to see it done that way. It's a new thing we're trying. It works, so you know, we'll keep doing it. So thank you very much, and enjoy your happy building. Happy building. All right, thanks.